I'm Oliver Claydon. This is Claydon Drills, also known as Claydon Yieldometer Limited. We're based in Wickenbrook, which is about 8 miles outside Bury St Edmunds in West Suffolk. We research and develop, design, market, manufacture, produce and sell agricultural machinery all over the world. We started off as a farming family. We came up with some ideas as ways to make our farm better. We started producing those ideas, and then a few people said, oh, we'd like one of those. So we started marketing them and selling them. And then we built the factory on the farm. This is our main R&D base. It's our factory area. By having it all here means that we can actually look after every aspect of it, from the R&D through to the final sale. We're based in the heart of the arable country. There's thousands and thousands of hectares of arable land around us. There's thousands and thousands of arable farmers around us. So that really helps us develop our machinery to better the use for the farmers for arable farming. We're trying to reduce their costs, improve their results, and keep them environmentally friendly as well. So West Suffolk Council came out a couple of years ago and spent quite a lot of time here learning about our business, learning about our growth plans and our ambitions, and asking how they could help us to achieve that. They were behind all of our planning applications to build our factory and make our factory bigger so we could employ more people and we could grow the economy in the local area. They helped us push through this planning permission to build that factory. They also put us in contact with the LEP to get a growing business grant, which gave us a huge amount of money to help us and get those offices built. I think it's a lovely area to be in. There's a lot of other businesses around, so you can find more or less anything you want fairly locally. We've got the ports, so we can export easily. We've got great colleges. The college is really pushing those students forward to have a better quality of student and graduate coming out of them. So we're looking to be pulling from those colleges as we grow and have local people coming here to work with us to build up this area and build up this company.